go, Berkey. Get in. So this morning, we are going to the Garnet Cafe, and Berkeley gets to go along, because he's a good boy. Then after that, I'm going to try to squeeze in the gym. Coffee this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have coffee.
Oh, that's yeah, they're way up there. Oh, they're hitting. He's back.
I got the pork tenderloin and eggs. Spam and eggs.
23% of men ranked bacon as their favorite fragrance.
I tried. I was like,
It takes 200 pounds of pig to produce 20 pounds of bacon.
Dylan's bacon facts for the day, coming from this poster. This little coffee stand right here used to be where I worked for about 4 years. Clearance, 6 feet 10 inches. And I used to go around it until they blocked that too. So I'm sitting here procrastinating the gym. I'm in the parking lot and I'm just sitting in the truck. And it's not that I don't want to go work out, because that's not it, and I have the time right now. I'm working out shoulders today, and honestly, shoulders is my least favorite workout, and I think it's because there's so few exercises for shoulders, and I get bored with it quickly, and I feel like I can't use a lot of weight with shoulders. My shoulders aren't real strong, and so it's just my least favorite. I have to force myself to do shoulders, and I know shoulders are important, but I just wish that there were more shoulder exercises. So in the comments below, if you have a favorite shoulder exercise, comment below and I will give them a shot, because I'm definitely bored with my shoulder workouts and I'd love to try some new stuff. And now we're gonna go in. Even though I procrastinated, my workout's done and I feel good about it. Thankfully, it's a nice sunny day, bitterly cold but sunny. I have a horseback riding lesson later, and that's what's on the agenda for the rest of the day. So Premier Protein tastes like old people's Ensure. So I have 30 minutes until I've got to start getting my horse caught, because he's difficult to catch lately. So we're gonna have to trick him. So I have 30 minutes until I have to go outside, get my horse caught, get the trailer hooked to the truck, and head to my horse lesson. So in this amount of time, I am going to try to create a new top screen for my YouTube channel. Let's see if I can do it. So about 9 minutes and I was able to get it up, but it doesn't look perfect. So I'm gonna keep working at it. Bada bing, bada boom. 17 minutes and I perfected it. It's up on the channel. Pretty proud of myself. So now it's time to go out and catch that horse for my lesson. Come here. Come on, Haps. Do you want grain or no? Do you want some grain? Come here. How to trick a horse. Lesson of the day. Come on, Haps. Do you want to go, buddy? Do you want some grain? You think you want some grain? Huh? Do you think? And there, boys and girls, is how you do it. You're fine. Don't be all jumpy. Don't be all jumpy, you nerd. 104. Have to be there at 2. I still have to hook the truck to the trailer. Looks like I'm lined up pretty good. Yeah, I thought so. Yes, score. You ready? You knocked your grain on the ground. Of course, it's frozen. And this is why I carry a hammer. Because nothing on farm life is ever easy. Or as easy as it should be. Everything we do, there's total complications and unexpected events. Good boy.
You were raised on an asphalt farm. Ain't never heard a rooster crow. Never walked barefoot by a river. Felt the mud up between your toes. You never rolled in the hay. You never thrown it in for real. Climb up on in here, girl. Let me show you how country feels. Get your hair down. Get you some of this laid on back. Kick your shoes off, kick 'em off. Get you some of this slow down fast. I'll take you up and down these hollers and hills. Let me show you how country feels. You ever watch the sun go down from the bed of a pickup truck? You ever been so into somebody, you're still lying there when it comes back up? Girl, what do you say? We cut a path through that cornfield, parked down by the water. Let me show you how country feels. Let your hair down, get you some of this laid on back. Kick your shoes off, kick 'em off.
So I'm back from my horseback riding lesson and I'm sitting down at the computer going to upload the footage I have. Ignore the red face and the messy hair. That's what happens when you hang out in a cold barn for an hour riding a horse. That's what I'm working on right now. I think I'm gonna go to sushi with my husband and a friend for dinner. So that's the next thing on the agenda for the day. I just ate some spaghetti and I'm gonna work on editing this video. So that's it.